In the previous lecture, we have seen how to update the created values and how to change it or modify it if it is required. In this lecture, we'll see how to use Bootstrap. What is Bootstrap and how to use Bootstrap in our Django templates. Fine. So we got this error, figured it out, and okay, fine. Yes, we declare the template inside the if condition, but we have to declare in outside the if. So save it and let's refresh it again. Okay, fine. In the update view, just some, let me first, okay, there is a double, not a single. Great. So yes, fine. So we got this, and we have declared it in the h1 tag, I guess. So okay, we haven't closed the h1 tag, so that's the reason. Okay, fine. So if we'll update the author underscore demo, then update, okay, see, it is redirecting to the detail view, as I have declared in my views that whenever the object saved into the database, it should be redirect to the detail view. Detail view in the sense book, then num is the ID, so it will redirect to the same ID which we have updated. So this is how we can update, and we can put the link over here to the as the update, just like we have put the detail view link. So okay, so let me copy this and paste it over here, and update, and book ID same. So save and refresh. Let me click on the update and it will be updated. And if I want to go to the list view, demo, update, if I update to the test and update, it will be updated. So this is how we can see, we can add the book, create the book, and see the details of the book and all. So now we'll see little bit about Bootstrap. What is Bootstrap, or how to make a page effective, attractive, and something like that. So if you have any doubt, let us know, otherwise keep going. So in this lecture we have seen how to use Bootstrap.